Wiggles the Worm and the Rainy Day. Wiggles the worm lived under the ground. He liked his dark, cozy tunnel. He liked the soft dirt. He liked to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. One morning, Wiggles heard something. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. "What is that sound?" asked Wiggles. "It's the rain," said his friend the worm. "The rain is coming." "What happens when the rain comes?" Wiggles asked. Dot whispered, "The rain makes the ground wet. Very wet. Too wet for us." The water began to drip into their tunnels. Drip, drop, drip, drop. "We need to go up, up, up," shouted Wiggles. "Up to the top of the ground," said Dot. "Kids, can you wiggle up, up, up too? Let's wiggle now." At last, Wiggles poked his head out. "Wow," he said. The air was fresh. The grass was shiny. The sky was gray. Rain fell everywhere. "Look," said Dot. "All our worm friends are here too." And it was true. Worms were popping out, crawling and stretching all over the wet ground. But then, stomp! Wiggles froze. Oh no! Shoes! Shoes came down near him. Splash! Wiggles shouted, "Watch out! Watch out!" All the worms wiggled to the side. The shoe missed them. "Phew," said Dot. "That was close." "Why do worms come out when it rains?" asked Wiggles. Dot smiled. "Because the ground gets too wet. We can't breathe down there. We come up to stay safe." The rain stopped. The sun peeked out. "Time to go home," said Dot. "Back to our safe tunnels," said Wiggles. Down, down, down they went. Wiggles whispered, "Next time it rains, I'll know why worms come out." Kids, what would you do if a big shoe came near you? Freeze? Run? Wiggle away? "Wow, Dot! What a day," said Wiggles. "It sure was," said Dot. "Now we know why worms come out when it rains, to stay safe and breathe fresh air." Wiggles looked up and said, "Did you enjoy wiggling with us, friends? Let's do one last wiggle." Dot laughed. "Great job. You're all super wigglers." They waved goodbye and wiggled back into the soft, cozy dirt. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories.